Going to see exercise 4.2 continuation problem number 7. Iron rods A, B, C, D, E and F are making a design in a bridge as shown in the figure. So this is the given figure. These are the iron rods A, B, C, D, E, F are making a design in a bridge as shown in the figure. So இதுதான் ஒரு bridge formatல அந்த iron rods வச்சு make பண்ணிருக்காங்க between the river. If A is parallel to B, so A உம் B உம் parallel இருக்கு, then C parallel to D, C and D is parallel, E and F also parallel. Find the marked angles between first subdivision is B and C. So this is the marked angle between B and C. ஒரு angle mark பண்ணிருக்காங்க, that is here you can see this is 75 degree and this is 30 degree. So first one, if we see the angle B and C, so B rod and C rod, you can see the angle is 30 degree because it is a vertically opposite angle. So this is the point of intersection. இது ரெண்டோட vertically opposite angle பார்த்தோன்னா நம்மளுக்கு 30 degree. And second subdivision is D and E. So we can see D and E. So angle between D and E is 180 degree minus 75. Because you can see this is 180 degree and minus 75 means you get the angle between D and E. So 180 minus 75 means you get 105 degree because sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. ஏன்னா நாலுத்தையும் நம்மளுக்கு ஆட் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு 360 degree வரணும். ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு ஆங்கிளையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு 180 degree, இந்த ரெண்டு ஆங்கிளையும் ஆட் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு 180 degree. So adjacent angles add பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு 180 degree வரணும். So 180 minus 75 is 105 degree. Then angle between D and F. So we can see D and F. So opposite angles of a parallelogram is always equal. So இது 75 நா இதுவும் நம்மளுக்கு 75 degree தான் இருக்கும். Then C and F. So here we can see C and F. So C and F இப்போ தான் நம்ம வந்து opposite angles of a parallelogram is always equal அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம். இப்போ தான் இதுக்கு வந்து 105 டிகிரின்னு சொன்னோம். ஸோ அப்போ இதுக்கும் டெஃபினட்டாக 105 டிகிரியாக தான் இருக்கும். அப்படி இல்லைனா angles between C and F. So adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 75 you get 105 degree. So this is the solution of 7th problem which belongs to page number 157. First subdivision, angle between B and C is equal to 30 degree, that is vertically opposite angles. And second subdivision is angle between D and E which is equal to 180 degree minus 75 which is equal to 105 degree. That is sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180 degree. And third subdivision is angle between D and F is equal to 75 degree. So opposite angles of a parallelogram. And fourth subdivision is angle between C and F which is equal to 180 degree minus 75 which is equal to 105 degree. So adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Problem number 8. In the given figure, angle A is equal to 64 degree, angle ABC is equal to 58 degree. If BO and CO are the bisectors of angle ABC and angle ACB respectively of a triangle ABC, find X degree and Y degree. So the problem belongs to page number 158. So this is the respective figure of a triangle ABC with angle A is 64 degree and angle ABC. இப்போ ஓன்றது அதோட மிட் பாயிண்ட் அப்படின்னு எடுத்தோம்னா BO and CO is the bisector of angle ABC and ACB. ஸோ இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஜாயின் பண்ணால் இதோட ஆங்கிள் வந்து X டிகிரி, இதோட ஆங்கிள் வந்து Y டிகிரி, இதை நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணோம். தென் ஆங்கிள் B is 58 டிகிரி. ஸோ ஆங்கிள் ஏவும் ஆங்கிள் பியும் நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்தாங்க. ஸோ இந்த கிவன் ட்ரையாங்கிள் ABC, ஆங்கிள் A is 64, ஆங்கிள் B is 58. ஸோ ஆங்கிள் C எப்படி இருக்கும்னா 180 டிகிரி மைனஸ் 64 ப்ளஸ் 58 டிகிரி. ஸோ அதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு ஆங்கிள் சியாக இருக்கும். ஸோ 180 டிகிரி மைனஸ் 64 டிகிரி ப்ளஸ் 58 டிகிரி. ஸோ So 64 degree plus 58 degree is 122 degree. So 180 degree minus 122 degree is 58 degree. So இப்போ angle C ஓட value நம்ம find பண்ணியாச்சு. So இது 64, இது 58, angle C is also 58 degree. Since OC is the bisector of angle C. OC is the bisector of angle C. So y is equal to 58 by 2 is equal to 29. ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஓசின்றது சின்ற ஆங்கிளை வந்து ரெண்டாக பிரிக்குது. நம்மளுக்கு இந்த ஆங்கிள் ஃபுல்லாக தான் தெரியும் 58. ஸோ இதை ரெண்டாக பிரிக்கிறதுனால இதை 2ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு இந்த வேல்யூ மட்டும் கிடச்சிடும். ஸோ y is equal to 29 degree. Then given triangle OBC. ஸோ இந்த triangle OBC angle OBC is also 58 by 2. ஸோ இதுவும் வந்து 2ஆல் டிவைட் ஆகுது. ஸோ இது ஃபுல்லாக தான் 58. ஸோ இப்போ பாதினா 29. Similarly, OCB is also 29 degree. Therefore, angle BOC is equal to 180 degree minus 29 degree plus 29 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 58. So, x is equal to 122 degree. Therefore, we find angle x is equal to 122 degree and angle y is equal to 29 degree. We are using a simple, very simple basic concept, angle bisection. Next one is problem number 9. In the given figure 4.40, so this is the given figure. If AB is equal to 2, இங்கே AB ஓட measurement கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 2 and BC is equal to 6. So BC is 6. Then AE is 6. AE is also 6. BF is equal to 8. B to F measurement is 8. And CE is 7. C to E is 7 and CF is equal to 7. CF is also 7. Compute the ratio of the area of a quadrilateral ABDE to area of a triangle CDF. So here we can see a quadrilateral ABDE. So இதுதான் நம்மளோட quadrilateral. To the ratio to the area of a triangle CDF. So இதுதான் நம்மளோட triangle CDF. So use congruent property of a triangle. So problem number 9 solution. The problem belongs to page number 158. So this is the respective figure with measurement. So இது E. So AE is 6 cm, AB is 2 cm, B to C is 6 cm, then CE is 7 cm, BF is 8 cm, CF is 7 cm. So given AB is equal to 2 cm, BC is equal to 6 cm, AE is equal to 6 cm, BF is equal to 8 cm, C is equal to 7 cm and CF is equal to 7 cm. So whatever is given in the question, you just write the measurements. Now consider triangle AEC and triangle BCF. So இப்போ பார்த்தோன்னா நம்ம ரெண்டு triangle choose பண்ணுறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு AEC. ஸோ இந்த triangleம் next BCF. ஸோ இந்த triangleம் நம்ம choose பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So in a triangle AEC, first we are taking this triangle. So AEC, இந்த triangle choose பண்ணும்போது அதோட measurements நம்ம பார்த்தோன்னா AE is equal to 6 cm, EC is equal to 7 cm, AC is nothing but AB plus BC. அப்போ 2 plus 6 is 8 cm. Similarly in triangle BCF. So BCF ன்றது next triangle choose பண்ணுறோம். In BCF, BC is 6 cm, CF is 7 cm and BF is 8 cm. ஸோ இப்போ பார்த்தோன்னா ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே நம்மளுக்கு ஒரே மெஷர்மெண்ட் தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ AE is equal to BC, ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் ஒரே மெஷர்மெண்ட். EC is equal to CF, இது ரெண்டும் ஒரே மெஷர்மெண்ட். அண்ட் AC is equal to BF, இது ரெண்டுமே 8 cm. Therefore, triangle AEC is similar to triangle BCF. Therefore, area of a triangle AEC is equal to area of a triangle BCF. The two triangles are similar and area are also equal. Now what is the next step is subtract area of a triangle BDC. So here we can see BDC. So இப்போ இந்த whole triangle விட்டுட்டு இந்த triangle மட்டும் பார்த்தோம்னா இது ஒரு triangle நம்மளுக்கு BDCன்றது இது ஒரு triangle இருக்குது. So இதை மட்டும் நம்ம இப்போ subtract பண்ணுறோம். So area of triangle AEC minus area of a triangle BDC is equal to area of a triangle BCF minus area of a triangle BDC means you get area of a quadrilateral. ஸோ இமேஜின் பண்ணுங்கள், நம்ம இதை மட்டும் எலிமினேட் பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா இங்கே ஒரு குவாட்ரிலேட்ரல் கிடைக்கும் which is equal to area of a triangle CDF ன்னு கிடைக்கும். ஸோ can you imagine that if you without seeing this you can see a quadrilateral and a triangle. ஸோ இதை நம்ம இந்த ஃபிகர்லேருந்து இதை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா இந்த குவாட்ரிலேட்டரலும் இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிளும் கண்டிப்பாக ஈக்குவலாக தான் இருக்கும். Therefore that's what we proved, that area of a quadrilateral ABDE is equal to area of a triangle CDF. Next we are going to see problem number 10. In the figure 4.41, ABCD is a rectangle and EFGH is a parallelogram. Using the measurements given in the figure, what is the length D of the segment that is perpendicular to HE bar and FG bar? So in this figure, ABCD is a rectangle and EFGH is a parallelogram and the respective measurement is given. So you have to find the length D of the segment. You have to find the measurement of D. Problem number 10. Solution. The problem belongs to page number 158. So this is the respective figure with measurement. So in the figure, ABCD is a rectangle and EFGH is a parallelogram. So in the right triangle AEH, we can see AEH. So this is E. So in a right angle triangle AEH, HE is equal to root of AH square plus AE square, which is equal to root of 3 square plus 4 square is equal to root of 9 plus 16 is equal to root 25. So HE is equal to 5. So from this we can find the HE measurement is 5. Therefore HE and GF both are equal, which is equal to 5. Since HE and GF are opposite sides of a parallelogram. Next, in a triangle FCG. So we are taking this triangle FCG. GC is equal to root of GF square minus FC square, which is equal to root of 5 square minus 3 square is equal to root 25 minus 9, which is equal to root 16. Therefore GC is equal to 4. So now we find the value of GC is 4. Therefore DG is equal to 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6. Now we find the value of DG. DG is 10 minus 4, which is nothing but 6. Now area of a triangle AEH plus area of a triangle BEF plus area of a triangle FCG plus area of a triangle HDG. So in this we can see 4 triangle 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to add all these triangles area, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 by 2 into 6 into 5 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 by 2 into 5 into 6. Then cancelling, you get 2, 3, 2, then 3. So you get 3 2s are 6 plus 5 3s are 15. Again 3 2s are 6 plus 5 3s are 15, which is equal to 42. Therefore area of 4 triangles is equal to 42. Then area of the parallelogram is equal to area of a rectangle ABCD minus area of 4 triangles. So which is equal to 10 into 8 minus 42, which is equal to 80 minus 42. 80 minus 42 is 38. Therefore area of a parallelogram is 38. Then area of a parallelogram is base into height, which is equal to 38. Here we can see the base is 5 into D is equal to 38. So D is equal to 38 by 5, which is nothing but length of D is equal to 7, 3 by 5 or 7.6. Now we find the length of D. Problem number 11. In parallelogram ABCD of the accompanying diagram, line DF is drawn bisecting BC at N. So here we can see a line DP is drawn bisecting BC. BC bisect பண்ணுது at the point N, meeting AB. So meeting AB at the extended at P. From vertex C, line CQ is drawn bisecting AD at M, meeting AB extended at Q. So line DP and CQ. So DP and CQ meet at O. Show that the area of a triangle QPO. So QPO. Show that the area of a triangle QPO is 9 by 8 of the area of a parallelogram ABCD. So this is the given question. So last problem of this exercise, this is the given figure. The first step is you have to draw OX, which is perpendicular to QP. Now in this we can see a triangle ADP. So first we are taking a triangle ADP. First we are taking this triangle ADP. MN is equal to half of AP. So here MN is equal to half of AP. Then triangle BCQ. So this triangle BCQ, MN is equal to half of QB. So half of QB. So AP is equal to BQ. AP யும் BQ யும் equal. அப்படி இல்லனா AB plus BP is equal to AB plus QA. So which is nothing but PB is equal to QA. So இந்த ரெண்டு மெஷர்மெண்ட்டும் நம்மளுக்கு equal. So QA is equal to AB. QA is equal to AB is equal to BP. So QP is equal to QA plus AB plus BP, which is nothing but 3 times of AB. Therefore, area of a triangle OQP. So area of a triangle OPQ is equal to half into QP into OX. So base into height. So which is equal to 1 by 2 into, now only we find QP is nothing but 3 times of AB into OX, which is equal to 3 by 2 into AB into OX. So now we can see OX we write as OY plus YX. So OY plus YX nedlam, which is equal to 3 by 2 into AB into OY plus 3 by 2 into AB into YX. So AB into OY. So AB into OY is nothing but MN into OY. So இது base எடுத்துக்கிறோம். So AB யும் MN யும் equal. அதனால நம்ம இதை choose பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So AB க்கு பதிலா MN write பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So 3 by 2 into MN into OY. Similarly 3 by 2 into AB into YX, because AB is equal to MN, which is equal to 3 into area of a triangle OMN. அந்த சின்ன triangle நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஏன்னா இதுதான் அதோட பேஸ், இதுதான் அதோட ஹைட்டு. ஸோ இந்த சின்ன ட்ரையாங்கிளோட ஏரியா தான் அது. ஸோ ஏரியா ஆஃப் அ triangle OMN plus 3 by 2 into area of a triangle BNM, which is equal to 3 into 1 by 4 of area MNCD. So which is nothing but equal to MNCD 1 by 4th time of, ஏன்னா ஒரு triangleனா இங்கே 4 triangles இருக்கு, அப்போ 1 by 4th time of MNCD plus 3 by 2 into BNM. ஸோ இந்த ஃபிகரில் நம்மளுக்கு BNMன்றது இது இருக்குது, BNM, which is equal to half of ABCD. So 3 by 2 into half of area ABCD. So which is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into area of ABCD plus 3 by 4 into area of ABCD. So 3 by 8 plus 3 by 4 into area of ABCD, which is equal to cross multiplication. So 3 plus 6 by 8 of area of ABCD. Therefore, area of a triangle OQP is equal to 9 by 8 of area of a triangle ABCD. Hence, we proved the result. That's all, students. Up to this exercise 4.2 is over. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.